iPhone 12 Pro Max is having a board issue, put a long screw damage. So we're going to swap the component from this faulty board to another donor board now, this other board, the top side board. So I've taken out the Nand, the main processor, and then the Eprom. Those three components must be transplanted from this old board, this faulty board, to this other new board. Alright, so hence the word board swap. We're swapping the board now, but the components still remains. So we're doing this to, first of all, bring the phone on, and also to see if we can recover the data of the user, and see if we can get back the data from this not chip, and then let's find out. I'm going to cut it around it. I'm going to use the preheating method to take out the processor. So I'm going to preheat the processor, hit the board to a point where I can now hit from top, and then processor easily comes out. So I'm going to put this board now on this hot heating plate, give it some time to heat up, and then I can pry out the processor. a Nand rebuild. I have an NSC chip. We have an Eprom, and then some of the main processor. Ouch. So this 4 chip is what we'll be now transplanting to our donor board. This guy right here. So we're going to do the same process. We're going to take out everything, these 4 chips out from this board, and then we're going to mount this rebuild chip now from the old broken board to this new board. Okay, so the process begins all from the very beginning. Okay, so we have our board, logic board prepped and ready to receive the processor and the other chips from the faulty board. Okay, so this is our donor board, and then we're going to plant in those chips now we took from the faulty board, the one we're trying to recover data from. iPhone 12 from us. Testing for the very first time. So I press the power button and let's see. And yes, we are on. It's on and it's working. So let's connect our screen and test. to join the board now. This is the other side of the board. See, same board, same Eprom, same NFC, same processor, and we have our phone back. Done. So board swap done. Is the old board. Old board, broken board, bad board, and here the chip in another board and everything is up. So we left to join the board with the other part of the board now, part B, and then we'll test again. Baseband, everything should be functional. Okay, so this is the scrap board, and this is the functional board. Alright, so let's join the board and test again. And then mount it into the frame and the screen, and then final testing. Charging. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is working. Let's check for baseband. Yeah, IM is up. Flashlight is up. Try camera. Camera is working. Try to make a call. And it's working. So phone is fully restored. Client data, everything still intact. Call log, everything is still intact. Okay, iPhone 12 Pro has board swap, top board swap, done. This is the bad board, and we have a donor board installed in the phone, and everything is working as it should. iPhone 12 Pro Max done.